Hi, I am Pinakin Pujara. I am a patient of Dr. Anil Jain, who actually I have known for more than 2.5 decades back, because he treated my father also. And let me tell you that we have a family history of cholesterol, and therefore what happens is that something that you inherit, you don't even know the limitations that happen inside within your body. And therefore there are many instances that you come across. Like I'll tell you my case. I walk every day, morning, evening, for 45 minutes, twice a day. And once I realized that there is burning sensation in the chest, and therefore I had to stop. And I decided to stop because I knew that this has something to do with the heart. Even if it is not, it is better to be conservative, and therefore I stopped. Now I have a cardiologist friend who happened to pass by, because he is my neighbor, and he said that Pinakin, don't ignore this, and we should have this thing investigated properly, which was investigated with the help of the angiography, and I started knowing that I had a block of almost about 75% in my heart. Now issue is that what do I do? Though it was not threatening, because it was not active angina, or it was more of an effort angina, that if I run, if I walk fast, if I play, then it will get started. And therefore I waited for almost about 3 years, and you can't undergo angiography every year, and therefore we did some kind of a nuclear medicine test. I think I forgot the name of the test, but I think Thalys they call it, and that showed that I have lower blood reaching some portion of my heart, which triggered that we should seek a solution. And therefore having known Dr. Jain for more than 2 decades, and happily my father got himself operated, and over all these years he had no problem. So for me the first choice was then EpicHospital. I came here, and taking appointment was not a problem, meeting the doctor was not a problem, and we took a quick decision. Within say 7 days I got operated, and starting from the process of admission to the surgery to the 3 days of ICCU attendance, and then the recuperation period and convalescing of almost about 5 days. In all, it was a process of say 10 days, and staff is excellent, you are taken care of, processes are well defined, things happen on their own. You don't have to go and remind someone that, oh, you have not given me medicine. So I am personally very happy. I would sincerely suggest that anyone who has even a doubt that there is a problem with their heart, get that doubt resolved. If resolving that doubt results into saying that you don't have cardiac problem, it is better than trying to keep a worm in your mind that you have a problem. So I would recommend that please look after yourself, and your heart should be looked after properly. Thank you.